In this way, we have studied the first story, A Letter to God, of First Flight book, and according to the meaning of the passage, we are going to answer the questions what I already sent you in group. You all in group. First question: being a farmer is a curse or boon? Write it focusing on a letter to God. First of all, there is a statement: being a farmer is a curse or boon. The first we need to write an introductory passage. You can say few lines. So you can in this question describe the condition of farmer present time. So in the present time, what you see, what is the condition of farmer? So you can say the condition of farmer is very miserable, and in this way now you need to compare this thing with Lancho. Suppose in this story, Lancho is a farmer. He works very hard throughout. He works very hard throughout year. He works. He cultivates a crop in the field. But when his crop is about to ripe, and during that time he find there is a natural calamity. You can say there is a natural disaster as hailstone, and due to thing all his crops is destroyed, all his crops are destroyed, so he has nothing. So in this way you can say, and after then describing such type of thing, at the last you can say, at the few points you can say, being a farmer is a curse. And after then there are many reasons why we can say the life of farmer is like curse. You can describe first of all, he works very hard, but suppose that sometime he has to faces natural problems, and sometimes he has faces artificial problems. I mean, now you can describe as natural problems. Suppose that hailstone, calamity, disaster, rain, such type of thing that belongs to nature. And after then you can say describe about the artificial feature. Suppose that farmer cultivates very good ripe, and when ripe has come in the market, so suddenly the price of the thing has been collapsed. It means now if farmer is going to sell his crop, his grain in the market, he finds very low price. So in this way you can say this one is the curse. And after one line you also can add here, Indian farming is the game of gamble. Indian farming is the game of gamble, or you can say गेम ऑफ मानसून या गैम्बल ऑफ मानसून, माने मानसून का जुआ. इस तरह से दिस वे यू कैन से डिस्क्राइब सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग. माने इन द पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू कर्स एंड boon also you can describe here, and you can write down something about Lancho in curse, and also you can write down something about Lancho in boon. But here in this story we did not find anything. According to that we can describe being a farmer is a boon, but such type of thing if you want you can write down. That's and nothing is more to write in this question. After that we find second question. Suppose you are Lancho, how you face this crisis as Lancho did. In this line we find writer is asking, suppose that you are Lancho, and if you find such type of crisis challenges, which way you face as Lancho did. क्या लेंचो ने जैसे ही माने चुनौतियों का सामना किया, क्या आप उसी तरह सामना करने चाहते हैं या डिफरेंट वे? आप यू नीड टू डिस्क्राइब विच टाइप ऑफ थिंग. इफ यू can face this type of challenge as Lancho did, so now you describe all the thing as Lancho did. Suppose that each and every his crop is destroyed totally. Now he has nothing, he has family. He thinks throughout the night when he finds no one in that valley who can help him. So ultimately he thinks about his God. He believes in God. He believes in God, and he is saying he is asking himself, no one die in the world to be hungry. God will help everyone. So then he writes in this way. Otherwise, if you want to write different way, you can write different way. If I am Lancho and I have to face this type of problem, so first of all we need to I need to first of all I need to put some extra grain, so that if this year crop is not cultivated in a good way, so the extra gain which I have, we can eating that extra grain, we can survive through a year. I can survive with my family, can survive through a year. And we need to have some money for future planning. In this way, future planning, such type of point you can mention here. If you have any idea, and you can and if you have new idea and another way you can say, face this thing, you can describe. That's no matter, elaborating, focusing on later to God. If you find any if you find any wrong point in character of Lencho, you can also describe where he was wrong. This way, you now put such type of answer in this question. Who was Lencho? It's very easy. Lencho is a hard-working farmer. He is a little educated person. His house is situated at the top of the low hill. From there, anyone can see easily. From there, anyone could see easily throughout the field what is cultivated in the field, each and everything, and what did he do. And when he in this line, you can say when he found that his crop is totally destroyed, he had no other option, so he wrote a letter to God. And for taking money, he went to post office. There he found only 70 pesos. He wrote again a letter to God, and saying to him all the employees of the post office, they are bunch of crooks, so don't send again, please don't send again money to the post office. So this one is the very easy. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him money in it? It's also very easy. When first type when Vencho reached a post office, he found his letter and opened his letter. He found only 70 pesos. He surprised at this process, at this thing, because he had a great confidence in God. He knew properly God would never betray anyone. God must send the money, but other employees stole money, so he did not surprise when he opened the letter. This way you can describe. How did the rain change? In this question, you can describe the condition. One day, Lancho went to his field, and when he returned from his field to his home, he asked his wife a little rain his field needs, and as he predicted predicted earlier. While earlier, after few minutes later, he found few clouds. They are coming from northeast, and very soon they covered throughout the sky and start raining. Starting time it was raining, but very soon it converts into hailstone, and hailstone has been there for an hour, and after each and everything was covered with hailstone, and it was seemed to be like silver coin. What happened to Lencho film? And that's it. Write the brief characteristic of Lencho. So you can write first of all in the introductory line. In the introductory passage, you can write Lancho is a very hard working farmer. He is a little educated person. He knows how to write a letter to anyone, and after then you can there and more than there are many other characteristics of Lancho that are given below, and you can say this that first heading. If you want to write in heading, you can write. Otherwise, in paragraph you can write. First, you can write hard-working farmer. He is very laborious. He works like an ox means बैल. He is so laborious farmer, and he works he works like an ox. And after then you can describe such type of thing, everything. His house is situated at the top hill, that is alone house, and no one can go, no one is able there to help him, in such type of. And after then थिस्ट माने वो बहुत आस्तिक है, आस्तिक मान भगवान में आस्था रखने वाला, थिस्ट बोलते हैं. तो he is a theist person. He believes in God. When he finds himself that no one is ready to help him, he starts writing a letter to God. Due to his philosophy, this due to his faith, he has a great faith in God. He knows my God must help him in this condition. God will not let him die in this way, na? And he can serve. God must send him some money, extra money to survive next year and to crop for next year. After this way, you can describe. One thing I ask you all. Listen, whenever you describe any question, this one is being a farmer is a curse or boon. You can say write this thing in present tense, in which tense you like you can write. But any question that is asked, suppose that it is asked in past tense, then you need answer this question in past. Here you can this question in past, but last one that write the brief characteristic of language is in present, and first one it should be in present tense. In this way, I stop here. This one is my question answer discussion lecture. So I hope today I complete first lesson.